Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel guys. So andito na naman tayo guys. Panibagong topic na naman yung pag-uusapan natin. It's all about visa bulletin. So especially ngayon guys ay retrogression. So isi-share lang natin yung basic information dito guys kung paano i-check directly to the website yung updated or bagong release na visa bulletin. So dito guys, isi-share natin directly to the website para pag may next visa bulletin, alam na natin kung paano natin i-research, alam na natin kung paano natin hanapin. So disclaimer lang po tayo guys bago tayo mag-continue sa ating vlog. So this vlog is only a basic information to the website. So wala po tayong pinopromote na any organization dito guys. Dito ay sinishare lang natin yung basic research, basic details. So yun na nga po guys, no, napaka-importante na malaman natin yung paano i-check yung latest update, bagong release na visa bulletin. Kasi ito nga yung inaabangan natin mostly, especially dun sa cut-off dates ng priority dates natin. So dito guys, sa video na to, para lalo mo pang maunawaan, maintindihan. So marami na rin tayong vlog na ginawa with regards to priority dates, AB3 visa, tsaka ngayon guys gagawa tayo ng visa bulletin updates. Para pag may mga release, yun nga, makakapag-check tayo directly para talaga malalaman natin. So, tong video na to guys is with regards to EB3 visa, yung third preference for those nurses applying immigrant to the US. So, ito yun guys. So, bali nandito tayo ngayon sa Google guys. So, search natin guys sa visa bulletin. Yan guys. So, click natin to guys. Yan. So ito yung web page ng visa bulletin. So nandito dito. The visa bulletin. So ito nga yung update guys ng visa bulletin, no. So for as of January 2024, ito yung latest visa bulletin na ni-release, na pinablish. Okay? Ngayon guys, pag bumaba tayo niyan dito, so nandito lahat ng records ng visa bulletin. Fiscal year 2024, 23, 22, 21 hanggang dito sa baba guys. So ito yung mga records ng visa bulletin for every fiscal year. So ito nga yung last or latest update ng visa bulletin. Ngayon guys, pag clinic natin yan guys, so nandyan yung mga records bawat months ng visa bulletin. So like 2023, and guys, so from October 2022 to September 2023, so ito yung for fiscal year 2023. So yun yung mga record dito guys. Ngayon for fiscal year 2022, so same guys, from October 2021 to September 2022. So yan yung fiscal. So yan yung fiscal year 2022. So anyway guys, so ito yung lahat ng records ng fiscal year for the visa bulletin. So pag sinilip na natin yan guys, yung yung latest release, which is yung February 2024. So pwede rin natin yan i-click dito. So click natin yan guys. Ngayon, visa bulletin for February 2024. Baba tayo dito guys sa EB3 visa. Yan. So dito guys, ito yung employment base or third preference, other workers category. So ito yung latest visa bulletin February 2024. So bali guys, employment base, third preference. So yan nga yung pasok dito yung nurses guys for other category. So may mga previous vlogs tayo nito. So ito yung pag-check guys, no. So Philippines, ito yung cut-off dates. Cut-off dates for February is September 1, 2022. Dito guys, ito yung mga countries na nakalagay dito sa employment base. So China, India, Mexico, Philippines. Ito naman yung rest of the world. So for the rest of the world guys, ang cut-off dates is September 1, 2022. Sa China naman is September 1, 2020. sa India is July 1, 2012. Sa India is July 1, 2012. Mexico, September 1, 2022. At saka yung Philippines nga guys, September 1, 2022. So ito lahat to guys ay yun itong mga cut-off dates. Bibigay tayo ng example guys, kung yung priority date nyo is August 31, 2022, pasok na kayo dito guys. Kasi September 1 yung cut-off. Pero kung yung priority date nyo is September 2, 2022 onwards, so hindi pa kayo kasali sa cut-off dates na to guys. So ito lang yung cut-off dates na magpo-proceed hanggang dun sa consulate interview kung ikaw ay document qualified na. So ito yung mga cut-off dates. Pero pag hindi ka pa covered dito sa date na to guys, onward, from September 2, 2022 onwards, so hihintayin pa natin guys yung additional visa bulletin. Itong C guys is represent to is current. So C means current. So wala na tong retrogression guys. Itong mga C na to, wala na tong retrogression. Ito naman, retrogression based on the cut-off dates. So yan guys, no, yung website natin. So again, ito yung website para kung mag-research kayo ng mga latest update visa bulletin, punta lang kayo dito guys. So ito yung mga upcoming, ito nga yung latest, ito yung previous. So yun lang po guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. I hope na nakapag-share na naman tayo ng latest at additional information about dito sa mga pinaprocess natin. Priority date, AB3 visa, third preference. Ngayon guys, pinag-uusapan natin yung visa bulletin. So maraming salamat guys sa inyong panonood. Please support my channel by subscribing my channel. Hit the button below para next video ay updated ka guys. Maraming salamat guys sa inyong panonood. See you next time. Bye-bye!